Hi, I am Sarwar from BTAPS. Today I am going to show you how to add Waze button on your website. To add a Waze button on your website, I am using BitAssist plugin. So let's go to WordPress dashboard. Click on BitAssist, add widget, give here widget name. Now click on create button. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel Waze. Give here Waze link. You can see some advanced features. One click open channel, one in new tab, current tab, new window. I keep it in new tab. And also you can add some advanced features in our pro version. Hide after office hours channel. You can on and off it. Channel show in desktop or mobile. Now click on save button. Now go to my WordPress page and refresh the page. You can see the BT Assist logo bottom corner of the screen. Now click on BT Assist and click on Waze. Here you can see my map address, which I give the link. You can add your one address by adding the link in your Aussie channel. So in this way you can add your Aussie button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.